Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see few journals which are related to statistics, probability, mechanical engineering, pharmacy, pharmacology, toxicology and pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical science, control and system engineering, artificial intelligence, agricultural and biological science, general agriculture, engineering, general engineering, chemical engineering, mathematics and mathematics control and optimization. So these topics I have chosen because of the viewers and subscribers request. So please watch it to know more about how to choose a better journal. Welcome you all back. So today we are going to talk about these journals. I have five journals for you and I will tell you what are the important aspects which you have to definitely consider before choosing any journal. So the first one which you have to check for is the frequency of the journal. So the frequency should be at least, if you want to publish it fast, you have to see for 12 issues per year, or else even if it is few journals which will be there, if it is 6 issues per year where you can get a faster, that is it will accept for that. But if you go for 2 issues per year or 1 issues per year, then you have to reconsider. Next one is the scope of the journal, whether that journal really accepts will accept your article or not, because most of the journal getting rejected, most of the article getting rejected because we are not seeing the scope of the journal properly and we are submitting our article which are not required by that journal. So check for the scope of the journal. What is the average time they are responding us? Okay, so how long they are taking to respond us, so this is also important factor which we should consider. And the fourth one is what the publication fee, if they are asking for any publication fee. So if fee in publication fee, instead of selling publication fee we can simply tell fee, because you have two types of fee, one is the publication fee and article processing charges. Okay, so that we call it as an APC. So few journals will not ask you for the publication fee, but they will ask you for the article processing charges to process your article. And few journals will ask you only for the publication fee, and few journals will not ask anything, they will ask only if you want to go with the open access. So this you have to check for. And then the general policies of any journal, they will have a general policy like a plagiarism policy, how many percentage of plagiarism they are accepting. And other than that, whether they need any reviewers. Okay, general policies you have to check for, and the templates, whether they have their own word template. If they have only latex template, and if you know latex then it is fine, if you don't know the latex then you have to just try to convert it properly. So if you want to convert any, if you want to make the format of any type of journal, then please comment it, I will tell you in which website you have to do that. So the last one is with the additional information. As I told, you have to check for whether they are asking you to submit the definitely they'll be asking you to submit the copyright form. Other than that, whether they are asking you to submit the data which you have used in your journal article, and whether they are asking you for the any other extra thing like any recommendation letter from your college, or any recommendation letter from your guide. Okay, any other proof they are asking for. So all these things you have to look for. So let us straight away go to the journal. So the first journal is for related to the statistics, that is mathematics and decision sciences. So this is, I have checked, it is still there in Scopus. Anyhow, even if you are looking at after 2 months or 3 months, please check again in the Scopus website. So if you click, if you just check this, it will go to this statistics, Institute of Mathematical Statistics. So here you can see statistics survey. Okay, so this is what statistics survey. And here you can see that this is a free journal, that is it will not ask it is not asking you any type of fee. So author or publication fee are not required. Okay, only if you want to pay a voluntary fee, sometimes few will be willing to pay the fee. If you are really ready to pay the fee, then you can definitely with this. Okay, so voluntary fees you can just pay if you want to do that. Okay, so this is great. So you understand that how what is the fee about this. And if you want to know more about this particular journal, then you can just click here statistics survey. Okay, because this is generally it is showing, right? So if you want to know more about this, you can just go ahead and check for the author guidelines. Okay, if they haven't given here anything about the author guidelines, then you have to check here. Here you have a manuscript submission, you can check here, and supplement instructions. So these are all the thing which I told you, that whatever the thing you have to just consider before submitting your journal. Okay, what kind of paper are appropriate for statistics survey? We publish review articles in all areas, so they are only considering for the review articles. If you want to submit your review which is based on the statistics, you can definitely go ahead and give. So as I already told you in the previous videos, like if they haven't mentioned anything specifically in their website, so definitely you can mail them and ask. So here you have supplement instruction. You can go and check for all these data like what is the frequency, what is the average time to respond, everything. But if you are not finding it exactly, then you can definitely send them a mail and get some more data from them. Okay, so this is all about this first journal. Since they don't have any specific, they haven't mentioned anything specifically, I request you to send a mail to them using this contact. Okay, contact, click here contact and get the mail ID. Send them a mail like what are the thing which you just wanted to know, like these things. So they haven't mentioned any frequency, they haven't mentioned any what is the average time to respond, and we know the scope through the Scopus database, and they told like there is no publication fee. Check whether they have template and what are the other general policies they will be maintaining. So let us go to the next journal, which is called Journal of Machine Learning Research. Of course, if you wanted to publish your research paper related to statistics and probability, you can go ahead with this journal. So this is still there in Scopus. So anyhow, please again once whenever you wanted to submit, please go and check whether it is there. So if you click here, you can see that this is what the journal of machine learning research. So you can see the frequency here. If they have the archives, then definitely you can find the frequency, how many issues per year they are publishing. Okay, so this is what you can see in this particular journal. And if you go to the papers, okay, so that is what I told, like what is the frequency of the journal. Here you have to go and check for the previous year, because now currently we haven't completed to 2022, like we are in the August. Okay, so if you want to see the total issue, then you have to go to the previous year. Okay, you can find it here itself. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I think they are publishing randomly. Okay, okay, so this is just understand how it is, how they are processing. Okay, they are, I mean, they have mentioned like 1 to 40, 1 to 41, something like that. Okay, just understand the pattern. I think there are more publications here. Okay, so of course, I hope it will be at least 6 issues per year. That will be okay. So they have given the publications here. So now let us just go and check here what is the submissions, whether they are asking for any price. Okay, you can just go to the publication fee and see there are no publication fees associated with this journal, and all papers are freely available to the readers. So great, you can consider this. And then if you just go to the statistics, this is the average time. So here you can see this is the median. They are taking nearly 120 days, 125 to 130 days to respond back. Okay, day to receive first round reviews. So if you want to immediately get the response, don't go for it. But if you are in the starting phase, you can definitely submit your paper here. Other than that, you can just go to the frequently asked questions to know more about it. And even you have contact us if you want to know more about like other data. Okay, you can contact you can use this contact information to get more data from them. Okay, so this is all about, okay, they have nearly 23 volumes. Fine, I think they are publishing nearly 20, at least 20 issues you can expect. So don't worry, you can definitely consider this. The next one is what Indonesian Journal of Pharmacy. So this is related to the pharmacy journal. So this will be the paid journal. Okay. So health profession and pharmacology, medicine, everything. So here, if you go to this particular website, you can see that this is International Journal of Pharmacy. Okay, this is still there in Scopus. And for more information, you can click here and see. Okay, go to the author guidelines. First, let us see the article processing charges here, and then we will think about the next one. Okay, it is USD 200. So this is what the article processing charges. So I think it will be nearly 14,000 to 15,000. So if you are okay with that, then you can just proceed with this. This is what the article processing charges here. And you can find the frequency from let us see the scope as well. Okay, these are all the scope. And if you want to know more about like what is the publication, okay, this is a submission preparation checklist. This is what the other general information which you should know. Okay, so check this. So if you go to this journal menu, mostly in the home page itself, you will be getting more information about the journal. Okay, like whatever we have discussed, what is the frequency of the journal and everything. Okay, how many issues per year they are just publishing, current issues they have given, but I think there is no proper information about what is the frequency of the journal. As I told, you can just go and check for the archives if you have. Okay, journal indexing and archiving. So here you can check for whether any other data is available here. Okay, they haven't given any data, only the author fees is here. And if I click for indexing and archiving, it is going to the another page. If you are not getting the proper data, please mail them. As I am telling you often, please mail them and ask for that. Okay, the archives are here. So this is the archive 2021 1 2 3 4 4 okay, 4, that is 4 issues per year. Okay, so 4 issues are there, that is a volume number, and this is the number of issues. Okay, other than that, you can just email them and ask. So they have some other statistics. If you couldn't find anything, please mail them. The next journal is the drug metabolism and disposition. This is also relevant to the pharmacy related journal. Okay, so here if you see, this is what drug metabolism and disposition. Whenever you want to know more about the fee structure or anything, you can just go to the instruction to the author. Other than that, the scope and everything will be there in the homepage itself. In few journal you cannot find the scope and anything, in the sense they will be providing you in a separate web page. Okay, so go to the information, go to the instruction to the authors, where you can find more information about the fee. Okay, so charge, okay, page charges. They have mentioned the page charges here. Author who submit a research article will be accessed $90 per typeset page. Okay, 90 per page. So if you are 90, in the sense, if you are if you have 6 page, for example, let us consider you have 6 page in your article, then it will be 540 USD, that is $540. Okay, so $540, it will be like nearly 37,000 to 40,000 rupees. Okay, based on the currency which you are trying to convert it on that particular day. Okay, so this is for every one page, $90 typeset pages. Okay, and apart from that, you can send a letter to the editor to know if you want to know more. Okay, other than that, they have manuscript handling fee. Okay, I think they are talking about the article processing charges because they have to process it. So for that, they are asking for $75. Okay, so other than this, if you want to know more, like how many issues per year they are just going, that is, they are just publishing and everything, then you can definitely go for the archives and see. Okay, so here you have archives. If you click on the archives, you can see that in 2021, I hope they are publishing nearly 12 issues per year. So every month they have published. Okay, so 12 issues per year. So it will be processed fastly. So the next and the last journal which you are going to see for today is what International Journal of Applied Science and Engineering. As I told, for mechanical engineering, this journal is scope of mechanical engineering. Here you can see aim and the scope. This is for mechanical engineering, aviation structures and system, biochemical engineering, chemical engineering. Of course, it is covering almost all the engineering domains. Okay, so here if you go and see for the authors and instruction for authors, you can see the charges of for this particular journal. So let us see. Yeah, this is an article processing charge $200. So I think this is quite fine. $200 into 70. I'm just approximately using 70 means 14,000 it will be. But anyhow, it may vary based on the day which you are trying to process because of the change in the rates, right? So you can decide. So this is what the article processing charges, and of course, like they have given the paper submission for the paper down template, so you can download this template and edit your thing. Okay, if you are into this scope, and if you want to know about the frequency of the journal, you can go here and check for what is on 2021. Yes, I think one, two, three, four, five issues, five normal issues, and sorry, one, two, three normal issues and three special issues. So nearly six issues they are providing. So it's fine. It's good, quite good. So you can just try to submit your journal. So here also you can see one, two, three, and now it is. I think special issues also it's already completed. So we can just try to submit your article. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to see all these important factors in your journal, which because it is essential. And even though whenever you are getting any journal information through your friends or through your any other conference chair, please recheck it and then submit it. Okay, because it is better to recheck from our side, and because we are going to submit our article, so it is better to recheck. If you have any doubts related to research, please comment it. I'll be there to help you. Take care. Bye bye.